friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here this morning with my coffee and to share November Traveler's Notebook kit and to tell you about a shop that I wanted to just let everybody know about. I like to encourage if I know people that are starting Etsy shops, I like to encourage them. I know I had mine for 3 years now, so I know what, kind of know how things have been. So I have my daughter-in-law started an Etsy shop, and as I'm talking about her shop, I'm just going to flip through Studio Calico's November Traveler's Notebook kit because it doesn't really need explanation. I'm just letting you see the pages. So her shop, she started it a few months ago, and I like to encourage new Etsy people because they, it's hard until you get your first sale. You kind of get discouraged and you think, you should just close up your shop or something. So I'm encouraging her to, hang in there, and she hasn't got her first sale yet, but once you get going, you still have to be patient and let things develop and let people find you and get to know your shop and get to know your work. But her shop is called, I'm going to link it down below this video so you can go straight there, but it's called, if you want to search for it, it is called Little Dorky Shop. So it's the word little, and she's little, and she calls herself Dorky. And she's called herself Dorky ever since I've known her. So it's a word that she uses a lot to describe herself. So anyway, Little Dorky Shop, and if you search, if you put a name in the search bar on Etsy, you have to run it all together so it will find what the shop you're looking for. But Little, as in the word little, L-I-T-T-L-E, and then Dorky, she spells it D as in dog, O-R-K-Y, and then the word shop, S-H-O-P. So Little Dorky Shop, and she has, she's so creative. I mean, she paints, and she just thinks outside the box, and she has a young, I'm not going to say her age, but she's between 20 and 30. And she just has her own fun, creative, young style. And she did her own, she wanted to do a different kind of binding. I think she tried 2 different types of binding in her shop. And it's a really cool one is, I think, called, which I've never tried. I think it's called Coptic. I think that's what it is. And then the other one is she used Happy Planner, the binding, the discs that you use in Happy Planners. So really cool bindings. And this is the thing I like most about this month's Studio Calico. Everything else I can do without, but this I like. I'll tell you real quick. Take a break from talking about my daughter-in-law's shop, but I hope you can see that because it has little, you can cut this apart and make they have little individual sayings on here. So I do like this a lot. It feels different than their regular washi, so not quite as sticky, so I do hope it sticks down good. But that's the washi for this month. And then anyway, in her shop, she, she just thinks outside the box, and it's so creative. So I just want to guide everyone over there and just to check out her shop and see if you need anything. That's the rubber stamps this month into Studio Calico. Kind of a moon and stars theme on these. And then we've got a bag of plastic stars. They are dark colored. I like color, so I'm kind of disappointed with those. The stickers, Lots of stickers again, 2 in each packet, in each little bag that they send. So that's this one, 2 sheets of these, and then 2 sheets of these. They're like big round circles. And let's see, that was the rubber stamp, and 2 sheets of these. And these are like little banners. So, you know, I'm not going to go into detail with those. And that's the bag I got this month. So just to finish my daughter-in-law's shop, I'm going to link it below, and she was getting discouraged, but I just told her, hang in there, you know, Black Friday, you know, which everybody knows that, and if you don't, it's the Friday after Thanksgiving that everyone, you know, does their big shopping, starts their Christmas shopping, and, you know, everyone has sales and things. So I would just encourage everyone to go over and check out her shop. Hopefully somebody will buy something, or maybe more than one person will buy something, and maybe she'll sell out because she only has 6 things in there right now. She's kind of testing the water. She didn't want to make, probably didn't, I mean, she didn't tell me this, but I'm thinking she probably didn't want to make too many things because she, you know, wanted to see how it went. So hopefully she'll sell out by, you know, after I plug her, or after Black Friday, which is in a couple of weeks, and she'll get some much needed encouragement. So I won't say too much more about her, but she's a great person, and she deserves to be successful. I would like to talk about her job, but it's a job that is, I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about her job on Etsy, but she does. It's a job where she has to give herself to the people that she serves 100%, in fact, more than 100%. And she has to lay her life on the line. That's just a little clue every day on her job. So she is a much deserving person of whatever good things come her way. So just check her shop out. I'll link it below. Hope you like the Studio Calico. I'm not too thrilled. I don't want to say bad things, but I like color, and there wasn't much color in here. So anyway, I don't want to dwell on that. Just check out her shop. I just mostly want to plug her shop, and hope that's okay. And I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. See you next time.